is a set the mood candle, okay? Sis, bruh, if you are looking for a set the mood candle, get this one. Oh, girl, this smells like a very sexy masculine. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Walmart candle haul and I'm so excited. I just received a shipment in the mail. Oh, this is heavy. It actually came in like 3 boxes. I just put it into one to make it simple and easy for the video. But y'all, I am so excited because Walmart had their candles on sale for $5. It's their Better Home and Garden brand. And I was like, oh, let me order like at least 5 good ones. So this is gonna be a pretty huge, I guess, not huge, but a semi-huge haul, y'all, because we also have some Walmart room scents as well. And I'm gonna let you guys know some of my best ones. So let's just go ahead and hop right into the video, okay? Because I'm super excited. Let me tell you, time you take the lid off of these candles, oh my God, you guys, that smells so good. This is the Better Home and Gardens lemon balm and cedar. So this is it here. I'll be sure to add the notes of it off to the side so that you guys can see the exact notes that are in here. But it's orange, New World, girl, what? New World, jasmine, lemon balm, saddlewood, and cedar wood scent notes. Oh my God. You guys, this smells so amazing. And it's a 2-wick candle. And it is a 2-wick candle. So I feel like this should burn pretty well. I have had their wooden Better Home and Gardens candles as well. And it was the soy wax, y'all. They last for a very long time. This one is the highly fragrant premium wax blend. I'm gonna give it another close-up so if you guys are looking for it, but of course I'll be sure to leave the link for it down in the description. I actually ordered these. When you know how you can order a Walmart order and get it in like 2 to 3 hours. I love that with Walmart. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just telling y'all some of the things that I absolutely love the most, okay? Oh girl, just waving it, child, honey, just waving it past my nose, y'all, I can smell it. So that is really nice. I really love this scent here. So the next scent that I want to show you guys is actually a room spray, and it is by Mainstays. It's the Fresh Cotton Odor Neutralizing Room Spray. Okay, oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. And let me tell you, I absolutely love this room spray here. This is actually one of my favorite scents from Walmart. It just gives like that fresh scent. If you are looking for a comparison, you know, the BBW, if you are familiar with their Laundry Day Wallflower, that's what this gives me. So I guess you could say it's like a BBW dupe. And it's a dupe for their Laundry Day. So if you like that really fresh, clean smell in your home, I'm definitely gonna say pick this up. It is again the Fresh Cotton Odor Neutralizing Room Spray, and you guys, these are like, I think they're like $4. I know, really good deal. And the next candle that we're gonna go ahead and try out now, guys, I'm just letting you know, I have not smelled any of these. I just opened everything up because I didn't feel like opening up all the boxes with you guys and all of that. But this is my first time smelling them, and this is the Better Home and Gardens of Walmart candle, y'all. It is in the scent of saddlewood and cardamom musk. Oh, very masculine, very handsome. Okay, oh my God, girl, what? Saddlewood and cardamom. You guys, this is, oh, baby, if I had a comparison, it wouldn't even be mahogany teak wood, because there's just no comparison for, oh my God. Girl, this smells like a really good male cologne that you would get from like Macy's. Oh. Ah. This is a set the mood candle, okay? Sis, bruh, if you are looking for a set the mood candle, get this one. Oh, my boo thing come back on Saturday, honey. I'm gonna have this burning. I'm gonna have that burning, honey. Yes, okay, so another room spray, you guys, that we have is the Better Home and Garden Salted Coconut and Mahogany. Now, I'm gonna say, this is one that I actually already had. As you can see, I have been using it, and it's one that I actually tend to gravitate towards the least, because to me, it just doesn't really hold a good scent. It's not really strong. So I would say, like, maybe after you make your bed up, you want something to spray over your bed, go ahead and use this. Because you don't really want a really heavy fragrance when you're spraying it over your linen. So just go ahead and spray this, because I don't know about this one. I'm not gonna purchase it again. Now the next Better Home and Garden candle that we have is Oceanside Flannel. Now, as you guys can see, I tend to gravitate a little bit more towards the more dominant scents, and that's just because that's what I love in my home. I love what the smell like a real sexy, strong, masculine. Oh, this smell like a real handsome beach. Oh, yes, just real handsome and masculine, honey. All those. Oh, this is nice. Smell like you got your hair like pulled to the back with some mousse or something in it, some gel, some braids, some waves. What you? Oh, girl. I don't know, y'all. These scents, they got. Girl, they got me feeling the kind of way, okay, honey? They got me feeling the kind of way. But like I told you, girl, I've been home by myself for a long time now. Let's see. Okay, so the next scent that we have, you guys, is Amber and Saffron. Now, I'm starting to feel like these perfumes are a dupe for Dolce & Gabbana. I'm not quite sure what, girl, let me smell it again, honey, because why not? Oh, just to know, if you go to Walmart, or if you're gonna order these, order them, please. If you guys have seen any of my haul videos, any of my review videos, you trust my judgment, sis, girl, go get this. Go get this. And if you want that, like, it's nice, it's like a beachy kind of vibe, but really grown and sick. Oh, girl. All right. Well, let's go ahead and smell this Amber and Saffron, girl. Oh my God. I'm too excited, y'all. Y'all, I'm so excited because these smell so good. Like, I honestly was not expecting this. Oh, hold on. Girl, Amber and Saffron. Yo, ooh, and then it comes, I love the glass that it comes in. It's like this really pretty red. Oh, what? Oh, girl, this I smell a little bit of cherry in here. I don't know, girl. Is it giving the Tom Ford Lost Cherry dupe candle at Walmart? Do they do that? Oh my God. Girl. Child, some. Y'all, I'm gonna be sure to leave the link for these down in the description. Run and get them, y'all. I got them for $5. And oh my God. Baby, that is good. That is good. So another scent that we have, you guys, is a room spray. The last one is Mainstays Out. Girl. The Mainstay Alpine Forest, you guys. And this gives a really nice, like, herbal kind of, I think it says herbal, cypress, and cedar, red cedar. And you guys, this gives a really nice, like, you know, when you put your Christmas tree up, you want to smell like you cut it down yourself. Go ahead and spray go ahead and spray this, because it just gives me that feel like, I don't know, like I just cut my Christmas tree down myself. And yeah, baby, I'm gonna go ahead and put it up. But okay, so you guys, the last scent that we have is another Better Home and Gardens candle, baby, that we got from Walmart. Y'all, Walmart is really showing up, and I know I'm not supposed to be shopping there, but I did it anyway. I couldn't help it. I went on there to go grocery shopping, and I saw the candles. They were on sale for $5. Regular price $12, and I was like, why not? So I got 5. Y'all, this is the warm leather and amber. Oh, this, I know there's some vanilla in here. Amber, oud, vanilla bean, mahogany, mahogany incense, and cocoa scent notes. Listen, go pick this up. Okay, go pick up all, girl, listen, go pick up, if you don't, I don't even know, go pick up all of these, but definitely grab the amber saffron. My next favorite would be this here, sandalwood and cardamom. Girl, hold on. I don't know how many old schools I have, but do you guys remember the fragrance for men, the cologne, what is Fahrenheit? Oh. That's what this gives me. Fahrenheit male cologne. Oh. Baby, that is good. Okay, and this here Oceanside flannel. It does not give me a dupe though for Dolce & Gabbana, but it sure smell good, baby. But I would not, this wouldn't be in my top recommended though. But my top recommended, like I said, is that sandalwood and, girl, what? Sandalwood and cardamom musk. Cardamom musk, girl, what? I just put a G in there. And this here warm leather and amber. Oh yeah, especially if you really like vanilla. I feel like this is a really good fragrance to burn in your home for the holiday season. And also this one here, this saffron, this amber and saffron, baby. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. Ah, it just smells so good. I absolutely love it. Let me put these in here, child, while because I'm about to go put this up. And then again, y'all, the this is a really good one. The lemon, this is a really good one, the lemon balm and cedar, for like your kitchen area. If you are cooking and you want something really strong, this lemon balm in here, baby, it is strong. Okay, I mean, time I open it, I don't even have to put my nose close to it. Like, you can smell it right here. It projects really well. I cannot wait to burn these. As y'all can see, I haven't burned any. So I'll be sure to let you guys know my honest opinion on these, and if I feel like it really burns well through my home, and if it lasts. You know, sometimes when they get down to like here, you can't smell them anymore, but I'll let y'all know that. Yeah, let me know if y'all like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you plan on going to pick up any of these, or if you have purchased them already, did the scent last? Because, you know, I'm looking for a really good long lasting scent, and y'all know I'm luxury on a budget, honey, so we do not want to spend a lot of money, okay? But y'all, that will be the end of this Walmart candle haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.